Come test drive the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.